In this video, I'll talk about if you need an app to use YouTube TV. Now in here, I've made a little sheet and you can see here that if you don't want to use the app, you can simply head over to tv.youtube.com and you can use it from the web browser. Now you can do this on your computer, phone or tablet, or you can also use it on the smart TV. But if you want to use an app, which you can do, usually on your mobile, what you can do is download YouTube TV app from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and then you can use the app from there. However, you can still just head over to the website on your phone as well, and it will still work. If you have a smart TV, you can also just go to the browser on your smart TV and type this in, or some TVs also allow casting from your phone without using an app. So to answer the question, no, you do not need an app, but there is an app if you want to use it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.